In a recent address to supporters of the NDA, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma indirectly attributed the NDA's defeat in several northeastern states to Christian dominance in Meghalaya, Nagaland, and Manipur, suggesting that these communities opposed the ideology of the NDA. Following this remark, Arden Miller Basayaumoy, president of the Voice of the People's Party (VPP), condemned Sharma's statement, particularly its implications for the Christian minorities in these states. Basayaumoy demanded an apology from Sarma, calling the comment baseless and contrary to the constitutional rights of the country's citizens.
To Mr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, the Chief Minister of Assam, who seems to be a habitual loose talker, that he should mind his own business and should rather look at his own backyard. He has no right whatsoever to interfere into the affairs of the state of Meghalaya as far as the recent concluded parliamentary election is concerned. In a democratic country like India, the people of Meghalaya have the right to choose or elect any person as long as he is the citizen of India and qualified for the candidature. The people of Meghalaya are not so naive not to know about the aims, objectives, agendas and manifestos of political parties that are taking part in this election. And as the citizens of this democratic country, we have the liberty to choose any party we like. I strongly condemn the statement made by Mr. Himanta Biswa Sarma that a particular religion in Meghalaya was the cause for the defeat of the NDA candidate in this parliamentary election. The fact, which was unfounded, baseless, and communal in nature. His statement, to my mind, was only to mislead the people and try to create communal disharmony in the country. And I'm sure that his many statements have really brought shame to the people of Assam and has greatly affected the sentiments of the people of Meghalaya. So once again, I condemn his statement, and it is unbecoming on the part of the Chief Minister